Hey guys, it's Nathan here with Western Welding Academy. Today I got Tanner with me. So Tanner come and got me a little bit ago, and he said he had a lot of high-low in his fit up. So I come to check it out. Well, when he grabbed these coupons, he grabbed two different sizes. He grabbed a 1/4 wall and a 3/7/5 wall. So instead of going and grab another coupon, I figured go ahead and make a little quick video and show you guys how to do a transitioning to make the inside of the pipes line up. We're going to do this little transitioning. We're going to have to transition a thicker pipe to match a smaller pipe. This happens quite frequently on a job. You'll end up getting some fittings or some pipe that don't line up, come from different places. There's a little high-low mismatch on the inside. So go ahead and do a little demonstration on how to fix that. As you can see, these are not the same thicknesses. So what we're going to do, there's a few different ways to do this. The first way we're going to do is we're going to measure this ID so we can see the difference. This is a 3/7/5 wall. When we measure this, we're going to burn an inch or two to get a good accurate reading. If you pull from the end here, there's a good chance you're going to be plus or minus a 16. So we'll hold this 1 inch on the inside edge of the bevel, and then we're going to rock our tape back and forth like this until we find the greatest diameter. So on this pipe right here is right at 8 inches. Now we're going to check our 1/4 wall. We're going to put our 1 inch on there, rock this back and forth. You see right there, we're 1/8 and an 1/8. So we have an 1/8 of an inch high-low on this pipe. 1/8 of an inch is the tolerance according to most codes, but we're going to go ahead and make that correct. I mean, you could split this and get a 1/16 all the way around, but we don't want to do that. We're going to go ahead and make it right. Now, there's a couple ways you can do this. Sometimes, since we're an 1/8 of an inch, we know we need a 1/16 all the way around. If we have to do this transitioning without losing any length of pipe, I would take my tri-square and I'll measure the thickness of the thinnest pipe. I'll set that to the same depth. Now, I'll pick my 3/7/5 wall up. As you can see, that's the difference. So we're going to try and transition that much off of this sucker. What I like to do, this is a good little quick way, is I'll set this right here, set my marker on it, and I'll draw a line all the way around this pipe. Okay. So that's how I would do this if I had to make this in position and I can't lose any length of pipe. I mean, usually a 16th ain't gonna hurt you, but some circumstances it can be an issue. But we don't have to worry about that right now, so I'm going to do it the other way, show you the other way. What I usually do is I find out what I need. I need a 16th all the way around. So I'm going to slap a 16th land all the way around this pipe. And I'm going to grab my cone rock and I'm going to transition the inside of this pipe all the way until that 16th inch land is gone. Then I'm going to prep it back up nice and clean, and then these pipes should line up. We'll go ahead and throw a land on here. You're prepped up, you're clean. Another good little tip is when you're transitioning, the rule of thumb is you want a 4-to-1 ratio. Whatever you take out of that pipe, you need to go 4 times back on the inside of that pipe. So we're taking 16th out. We need to make sure our transition goes a 1/4 of an inch back into the pipe. All right, we're going to go ahead and throw a 16th of an inch land all the way around this. Okay, now we got our land on, we're going to swap to our cone rock, and we're going to start transitioning. Alright, we got it done some transitioning. Now we're going to go ahead and clean this back up, get these birds off here. Then we're going to do a test fit and make sure our high-low is equal. As you can see on the camera, you see how far back I was going in there? If you just go back just a little bit and you make that back bevel real steep, like this, there's a chance when you put that root in there, that'll leave a real straight edge. And there's a chance of that showing like a black confusion on the root and incomplete penetration. And it'll show up on x-ray. So you really want to make sure you lay that far enough back to get a good transition. Alright, we'll do a little test fit here and see how close we are. more than likely there's a chance we might have to do a little bit more.
It's not bad though.
So what you look for in a good fit, we'll make sure high, low on the outside and on the inside is lined up. We'll make sure pipe up is lined up perfectly. You can take your hand, take the glove off, and you feel on the inside of there and make sure the edges are lined up. So we did our test fit. We're down to about a 30-second all the way around. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit more land on there. We're gonna do this process all over again until we get it perfect. Alright, I think we're pretty good. So, Tanner, it's all you. You can go ahead and weld this sucker now.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Well, this is a video on how to transition some pipe. You're going to see that out in the field quite a bit. Your fittings ain't going to match up with your pipe. So, hopefully you like this video. So, if you like it, please click like and subscribe. Make sure you comment down below. Let us know what you think.
Yeah, and hit that notification button right down at the bottom of the screen, and it'll notify you when we upload new videos.
Alright, we'll see you on the next one.